have a picnic in Bella Montana Farm, and we'll finally try the chorizo burger of BIG5 that our friend Santi brought all the way from Manila. Here we set up the chairs and the picnic table, and of course we brought food for snacks. Cheers!
What's up guys, this is Big Boy Santi here. Today our friends is gonna eat the BIG5 Chori Burger. It tastes really good and savory.
We will try this Chori Burger, sponsored by Santi, as seen earlier.
Oh.
Look at this. Okay.
Where's Papa's glass?
Mm.
Good.
What do you?
I'm pouring gasoline on the fire started in me. No one can cancel me. I'm swaying along with the trees. The sun is falling and the water is starting to freeze. That's why I close my eyes when I'm crossing the street. I keep a stack of letters from all my closest friends, so I know they're real, they really love me, cause they like to play pretend. Summer hasn't started, but it feels like it's the end, cause I think ahead, I like to plan, so I'm never in suspense. I'm pouring gasoline on the fire started in me. No one can cancel me. I'm swaying along with the trees. The sun is falling and the water is starting to freeze. That's why I close my eyes